Hey, a little money advice for you tonight. Might be the right time as we move into the season and you start getting caught up with the shortages. Just want to share a little something for you to consider right now. Ask yourself, the people you're following, the people you're studying, the people you're learning, how did they make their money? Okay? For instance, some people think, two things I want to cover. One is people think, oh, Cardone made all his money selling advice. That's why he's got the car with the freaking lights in the ceiling. Let me tell you something. I did not pay for this car with my main job, okay? My main purpose is not what paid for this car. Since I was 25 years old, I've been out there selling, peddling products, closing deals, knocking on doors, cold calling, consulting, growing my business, like traveling over 3 million miles around the world, consulting with companies, yes, selling books, selling audio programs, selling in the back of the room, speaking, selling my speaking time, doing thousands of unpaid speaking gigs. That's not what paid for this car or the plane or any of the nice stuff, okay? What paid for that is what I did with the money that I earned from that I poured into the real estate. Look, the real estate bought the car. The books you bought did not buy this car. Books will not buy cars like this, okay? I promise you. Second thing I want to tell you is this, okay? I just saw something online that said, look, if you can't control your money, making more money won't solve your problem. Wrong. Making more money will solve your problems. The guy that's got a debt problem hadn't made enough money. Kanye West clearly has not made enough money. You got to keep making money, folks, okay? So the game here, the game for you is to remember this. You got to get money advice from people that know how to multiply money, not just make it. It's make it, keep it, multiply it. I want to help you make it. I want to show you how to keep it. But some of that's got to be your self-personal discipline. And the third thing I want to do is show you how to multiply it so you can't spend it no matter what. I know guys that have spent $80 million on a yacht and they're not going broke. They spend ridiculous, stupid kinds of money. You know why? Because their main businesses are multiplying money so fast. So look, I want to help you. I'll do anything I can to help you. Two things. Work your ass off every day. Hustle, grind, pound, beat, knock on doors, make those extra calls. But know this, it's what you do with that money. The second, the shift, the big multiplier. It's what you do with that money that's going to make you rich. If you're grinding and you're hustling and you're muscling and you're shoving and you're not making money, you need to add to the skills. Then once you do that, start multiplying that money by making some wealth moves. Hope this helps you, Grant Cardone. Hey, Happy New Year's. Merry Christmas. Happy Thanksgiving. That was all backwards. Be great. Because you know what they say, or at least what I say. Be great. Because nothing else feels good and nothing else pays.